There are different types of engines. Based on application, we have truck or car or motorcycle engine, locomotive engine, similarly light aircraft, marine, portable power generation engines. Based on engine designs or number of cylinders, we have single cylinder engine, that is, engine has one cylinder and piston connected to the crankshaft. You can see the firing interval formula over there, and firing interval definition is the crank angle rotation for which firing takes place. And next we have V-twin engine. Two banks of cylinders at an angle with each other along a single crankshaft. The angles between the banks of cylinders is usually within 60 to 90 degrees. V engines have even number of cylinders ranging from 2 to 20. Here the number of cylinders is 2, so we call it as V-twin. Firing interval is 360 degrees and firing order is 1-2. We have to remember that all engines will not fire at once. The order or sequence in which firing takes place is called firing order. V5 engine. V engine with 5 cylinders is called V5 engine. Firing interval 144 degrees. Firing order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. V6. V engine with 6 cylinders. Firing interval is 120 degrees. Firing order is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. V8. V engine with 8 cylinders. Firing interval is 90 degrees. Firing order is 1, 7, 3, 5, 8, 2, 6, 4. We should always remember that there are many firing orders possible, but these are the firing orders that are most widely used or most popular. Next, we have W engine. Cylinders are in configuration in which cylinder banks resemble the letter W. In the same way, those of a V engine that resemble the letter V. Firing interval is 240 degrees and firing order is 1, 3, 2. Triple engine. 3 cylinders arranged in a straight line or in a plane side by side is called triple engine. Firing interval is 240 degrees. Firing order is 1, 3, 2. Inline 4 engine. 4 cylinders arranged in a straight line or a plane side by side. Firing interval is 180 degrees and firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. Inline 5. 5 cylinders arranged in a straight line or a plane side by side. Firing interval is 144 degrees. Firing order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Inline 6. 6 cylinders arranged in a straight line or a plane side by side. Firing interval is 120 degrees. Firing order is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. Inline 8. 8 cylinders arranged in a straight line or a plane side by side. Firing interval is 90 degrees. Firing order is 1, 7, 3, 5, 8, 2, 6, 4. Boxer twin engine. Two banks of cylinders opposite to each other on a single crankshaft. These are mostly used in small craft and small automobiles with an even number of cylinders from 2 to 8 or more. These engines are also called as flat engines and firing interval is 360 degrees. Firing order is 1, 2. Flat 4. A flat 4 or horizontally opposed 4 is a flat engine with 4 cylinders arranged in 2 horizontal banks of 2, each bank lying opposite the other, a crankshaft or crankcase in between them. Firing interval is 180 degrees. Firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. Flat 6. This is just like a flat 4 but with 6 cylinders. Radial 9. Engine with pistons positioned in a circular plane around the central crankshaft. The connecting rods of the pistons are connected to the crankshaft through a master rod. There is a trick to remember firing orders. For 4-cylinder engine, draw a line and draw 1, 2. Next, start 3 and 4. Then join a line between 1 to 3. Then draw a line from 3 to 4. And the firing order will be 1, 3, 4, 2. And other possible firing order is 1, 2, 4, 3. For 6-cylinder engine, draw lines like that and plot numbers like this 1, 2, 3. Next, write numbers in anti-clockwise direction as shown in the picture. Now, if you draw a line from 1 to 2, it's wrong. So you have to draw a line from 1 to 5. Next, you have to draw a line from 5 to 3, then 3 to 6. Similarly, you have to continue for all the other things, and the firing order is 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, 4. Similarly, for 8-cylinder engine, draw plus shape and plot numbers like this. Now plot numbers in anti-clockwise direction starting from 4. So all the numbers will be like this. Now draw line from 1 to 7, 7 to 3, 3 to 5 and 5 to 8. You have to go alternatively from top to bottom and top to bottom. And the final firing order is 1, 7, 3, 5, 8, 2, 6, 4. And other possible firing order is 1, 4, 6, 2, 8, 5, 3, 7. You can use this trick to find out the firing orders of any number cylinder engine. Now next classification is based on working cycle. We have 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine and 6-stroke engine, which we'll discuss about them later in a later video. Based on valves or port designs and locations, we have I-head valved engine, stratified charge I-head engine, underhead or L-head engine, T-head engine, F-head engine, cross scavenged porting engine, loop scavenged porting engine, throw or uniflow scavenged engine. Based on fuel, we have gasoline or petrol, fuel oil or diesel oil, natural gas, LPG, alcohols such as methanol, ethanol, hydrogen, dual fuel. Based on mixture preparation, we have carbureted. The process of preparing the vapor with flammable fuel such as gasoline with air to form an explosive mixture, especially for use in IC engine. Next, multi-point fuel injection, throttle body injection, combustion chamber design. For multi-point fuel injection, in the system, the fuel is directly injected into intake ports just upstream of each cylinder's intake valve. Throttle body injection. In the system, fuel is injected into the throttle body. Combustion chamber design. Under open chamber, we have wedge bowl, hemispherical and crescent. Divided chamber, pre-chamber and swivel chamber. Based on cooling, we have air cooled or water cooled engine, and based on intake, we have naturally aspirated, turbocharged, supercharged, crankcase compressed. And all the above classifications is very widely or detailed. Once you finish this course, you will understand all the above classifications in a very clear manner. So I strongly insist you to go through all the course videos and understand IC engine in a better way.